पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पंचम ब्राह्मणम पेज नंबर 789। ब्राह्मण त्रयार्थम संगतिम वक्तुम अनुवदति। How many brahmanas are complete in this adhyaya?
4 brahmanas.
So Acharya says brahmana trayartham sangatim vaktum anuvadati. First he talks about first three, 1, 2 and 3. The sangati of that vaktum anuvadati bandhanam saprayojakam ukta. So in the first three, what is bandhanam? That was said. See 5 number tippani, brahmana trayena karmadi rupa prayojaka sahita samsara ukta. By the first three brahmana, all the karma prayojaka sahita samsara was explained. Chaturtha brahmanartham sankshipati. Chaturtha brahmana, what is the purpose of that? Yasya baddhas tasya api astitvam adhigatam vyatiriktatvam cha. That which is baddha is this jiva who is vastava brahma. Pratyagatma. Tasya api astitvam adhigatam. Adhigatam jnatam. Astitvam jnatam. And vyatiriktatvam cha. Vyatirikta from what? Vyatiriktatvam from samsara. Samsarad vyatiriktatvam. He is different from samsara. Means Pratyagatma is not part of samsara. It's not associated with samsara. Uttara Brahmana Tatparyam Aha. Now, Panchama Brahmana, its Tatparya he gives. Tasya idanim bandha moksha sadhanam sasanyasam atmajnanam vaktavyam iti kahola prashna arabhyate. Tasya, of this jiva who is baddha, bandha moksha sadhanam. Bandha moksha sadhanam. How will you do samasa vigraha?
Bandhancha mokshancha bandhatam.
बंध के लिए साधन, व्हाई डू यू वांट बंध साधन? बंधात मोक्षस्य साधनम. Sadhanam is only for moksha. Bandhanam does not need sadhanam. Bandhana karanam we can say, that is avidya, that is already anadi, so it is there. So bandhana sadhanam is not there. Bandhanat or bandhat moksha, tasya sadhanam. What is that sadhanam? sasanyasam, because sadhanam, only one sadhana is given. If there were two sadhana given, then you can say bandha sadhanam, moksha sadhanam. This analysis we have done in Naishkarmya Siddhi, first chapter. Bandha hetu, moksha hetu he gives. I don't know if how many of you remember. These points, they have to be very clear. I think 8th shloka, first chapter, 8th shloka. Bandha hetu is avidya. Moksha hetu is jnanam, vidya. So bandha hetu, moksha hetu. In this way it is explained. But here it is only one. Bandha moksha sadhanam sasanyasam atmajnanam. So it is only moksha sadhanam. Sanyasa sahita atmajnanam vaktavyam iti kahola prashna arabhyate. So this brahmana is called kahola brahmana. Tika. 9 number tippani first. Nanu samyak jnanam eva vachyam tasya ajnana dhvansitvat na sannyasas tasya jnanat prag urdhvam cha anupayogat iti ashankya. Somebody has a doubt. What is the shanka? Just tell samyak jnanam, because that is direct virodhi of ajnanam. Samyak jnanam eva ajnana dhvansitvat. Sannyasa, na sannyasa. Sannyasa should not be discussed. Why? Tasya jnanat prag urdhvam cha anupayogat. Before jnanam, sannyasa has no use. If you take only sannyasa, no jnanam, sannyasa has no use. If you have jnanam, whether you have sannyasa or not, it doesn't matter. So jnanat prag, jnanat urdhvam cha anupayogat. Iti ashankya. Samahitam vartike. Samahitam means samadhanam is done here. Because ashankya, shanka samadhanam is done. Utpanna samyak jnanasya sannyaso lakshanam yatah sadhanam cha tadutpattau sannyaso totra bhanyate pravritti lakshano yogo jnanam sannyasa lakshanam tasmat jnanam puraskritya संन्यसेदिह बुद्धिमान. उत्पन्न सम्यक वहां वो है, नीचे है, लेकिन उत्पन्न सम्यक ज्ञानस्य संन्यासो लक्षणम. उत्पन्न सम्यक ज्ञानम, उत्पन्नम सम्यक ज्ञानम यस्य सह उत्पन्न सम्यक ज्ञानः. Of this person, sannyaso lakshanam. Sannyasa is his lakshanam. So, according to this shloka, which sannyasa is talked about?
Vidvat sannyasa.
Vidvat sannyasa. Because utpanna samyak jnanam, for that person, sannyasa is his lakshanam. On the other hand, sadhanam cha tad utpattau sannyaso ato atra bhanyate. Sadhanam, sannyas as sadhanam is vividisha sannyasa. Sadhanam cha tad utpattau. Tad, what is tad?
Jnana.
Samyak jnanam. Sadhanam cha tad utpattau. Because early first stanza said, Purvarda is utpanna samyak jnana. So now tad utpattau samyak jnana utpattau sadhanam cha sannyasa hai. That is given now. Ato atra bhanyate. Pravritti lakshano yogo. Jnanam sannyasa lakshanam. Pravritti lakshana is yoga. Jnanam is sannyasa lakshanam. Tasmat. योग मीन्स कर्म योग. दिस इज प्रसिद्ध. तस्मात् ज्ञानम पुरस्कृत्य संन्यसेद इव बुद्धिमान. Therefore, jnanam puraskritya, keeping jnanam in front. Puraskritya, what is the sutra?
नमस्पुरसोर्गत्योः.
Namas purasor gatyoho. So puras, instead of visarga, sakara remains there. Puraskritya. Sanyased iha buddhiman. Buddhiman sanyased. Sadhanam cha iti jignasoho iti shesha. For a jignasu, sannyasa will become sadhanam. Atra means prakrita jnana prakarane. टीका. उषस्त प्रश्नानंतर्यम अथ शब्दार्थः. Now let us see the mantra. अथ हैनं कहोलः कौशीतकेयः पप्रच्छ याज्ञवल्क्येति होवाच यदेव साक्षादपरोक्षाद् ब्रह्म य आत्मा सर्वान्तरस्तं मे व्याचक्ष्वेत्येषत आत्मा सर्वान्तरः कतमो याज्ञवल्क्य सर्वान्तरो योषनाया पिपासे शोकं मोहं जरां मृत्युमत्येति एतं वैतमात्मानं विदित्वा ब्राह्मणाः पुत्रैषणायाश्च वित्तैषणायाश्च लोकैषणायाश्च व्युत्थाय अथ भिक्षाचर्यं चरन्ति. या ह्येव पुत्रैषणा सा वित्तैषणा या वित्तैषणा सा लोकैषणा उभे ह्येते एषणे एव भवतः. तस्माद् ब्राह्मणः पाण्डित्यं निर्विद्य बाल्येन तिष्ठासेत्. बाल्यं च पाण्डित्यं च निर्विद्याथ मुनिरमौनं च मौनं च निर्विद्याथ ब्राह्मणः. स ब्राह्मणः केन स्याद् येन स्यात् तेन ईदृश एवातो अन्यदार्तं. ततो कहोलः कौशीतकेय परराम. This if somebody wants, they should memorize this. Means you don't have to memorize the earlier part, kahola kaushitake papracha ityadi, but katamo yagnivalkya sarvantara. What is that sarvantara? Atma lakshanam is given. Yo ashana, earlier part is clear. Atha hainam kaholah kaushitakeya papracha. So now Kahola is the name of the person. Kaushitakeyaha. Kaushitakeyaha Kushitakasya apatyam. Kaushitakeya is given in Bharata. He is the son of Kushitaka. He is asking. Yajnavalkya. Sambodhana is for bringing the attention. Purvavati. Yadeva sakshad aparokshad brahma ya atma sarvantaras tamme vyachakshva iti. So this question is same as Ushasta. Whatever Ushasta asked, Kahol is asking the same thing. Whatever is Sakshad Aparokshad Brahma, that Atma which is Sarvantara, please tell me that. So Yajnavalkya gives the same answer. Eshata Atma Sarvantara. That is your Atma, means you, which is Sarvantara. So then he says, Katamo Yajnavalkya. This part also same he had asked. Ushasta also asked, Katamo Yajnavalkya. You see the mantra. Katamo Yajnavalkya Sarvantara. So then Yajnavalkya gave the answer, Na drishter drashtaram pashyehe, etc. So now he is giving another answer. Yo ashanaya pipase shokam moham jaram mrutyum atyeti. Ashitum ichha
अशनाय.
ashanaya and patum ichha pipasa. अशनाया पिपासे शोकम मोहम and jaram mrutyum atyeti. Atma, what is that Atma Sarvantara? That which transcends all this. Ashanaya Pipasa means there is no hunger and thirst in Atma. There is no Shoka Moha in Atma. There is no Jara Mrityu in Atma. Atma is free from all of them. Because Ashana Pipasa, they are in where?
Pranamaya Kosha.
Pranamaya Kosha. Shokam Moham
Manomaya Kosha.
Manomaya Kosha. And Jara Mrityu
Annamaya Kosha.
Annamaya. Shokam Moham you can split as Shokam in Manomaya, Moham is Vijnanamaya. That way also you can see. Etam vai tam atmanam viditva. Now, so one lakshana is given. Now this is Prasiddha lakshana. Etam vai tam atmanam viditva brahmanaha bhikshacharyam charanti. So because sannyasa, sasannyasa, so sannyasa vidhanam is given here now. Atmanam viditva. Viditva here means apatataha viditva. Because if you already know, then you don't have to take sannyasa, then it is given. This anvaya is little bit, you will have to do some juggling here. Because if you say viditva brahmanaha putraishanayasya vittaishanayasya lokeshanaya, these three eshanas, yuthaya, then bhikshacharyam charanti. So you have two lya pratyas. First is viditva, second is vyuthaya, then bhikshacharyam charanti. So vyuthanam is putraishana, vitteshana, lokeshanayasya vyuthaya. Means having risen above these eshanas, then they go for bhiksha, means sannyasa. But the artha is also done in this way. Why the artha is done differently? Because if we say sanyasya atmanam viditva is paroksha rupena. Then sanyasya vividisha sanyas. Then putraishanayasya vitteshanayasya lokeshanayasya vyuthanam kurvanti. So then they have vyuthana. In this way, why this kind of anvaya is also possible? Because of the Vividisha mantra in 4th chapter. Tametam
Atmanam viditva
Vedanu vachanena brahmanaha yajnena danena tapasa anashakena vividishanti. So vividishanti yajnena dana. So that vividishanti is given there. Therefore, you have to accommodate. Vividishanti also, somebody may say it is only Veditum icchanti. There is no need of vividisha sannyasa as such. So directly if you see, there is no direct vidhanam for vividisha sannyas. Means that before you have to do any such renunciation. Tyaga is there. Tyaga nahi ke amritatva. That much you have to have. Means whether you formally take sannyasa or not. But that tyaga should be intense of putraishana, vitteshana, lokeshana, all of them. Then jnanam will work. Otherwise, jnanam will not work. Main thing we should understand is because these will not let your jnanam work. It is not to show somebody that I have putraishana or I don't have. I have lokeshana or not. Or somebody else to comment this person has putreshana, that person has lokeshana. If I want my jnanam to work, this is the condition. How they say you need sadhan chatushtaya, this is put in different way. Eshana traya. So sadhana chatushtaya is before shravana. For shravanam to get accomplished, you need sadhana chatushtaya. But eshana traya for shravanam to give phalam. Otherwise, they will create pratibandha, which we see. You listen, but then some eshana is here, there. You will not be able to enjoy the result of this jnana. So, vyuthaya atha bhikshacharyam charanti. Ya hyeva putreshana sa vitteshana. Ya vitteshana sa lokeshana. So, earlier he says there are three eshanas. Now he says that which is putreshana is vitteshana. That which is vitteshana is lokeshana. So, how many eshanas they are there now?
One.
Two.
So,
Eshane.
first he says putreshana, vitteshana and lokeshana, you can combine all of them as eshana only. Because it is eshana. You have to let go of eshana. This is one sentence. Then he says, Ubhehi ete eshane eva bhavata. Ete, all these three, they become two only. What are these two? This we have seen.
Putreshana and lokeshana.
Sadhana is one.
Sadhya Vishayaka and Sadhana Vishayaka. Because Putra and Vitta, what are they? Sadhana. And Loka is Sadhya. Because earlier we saw Putrena eva ayam loko jaya. Karmana pitruloka. Vidyaya devaloka. So Putra and Vitta, etc., the Daivam Vittam, Manusham Vittam, all of that put together, they are sadhana. For whether this loka or Pitruloka or Devaloka. So Loka Eshana is Sadhya Vishayaka Eshana. And anything else is Sadhana Vishayaka. So there are only two. Ubhehi ete eshane eva bhavata. What is he saying? Either you are desiring means or goal. You have desires for this only. If somebody says, I want this, I want that, there are only two desires. For means or for goal. Common people, what are their goals? I want this house, that house. He says, this loka, Pitruloka or Swargadi loka. So it is some loka. In that loka, if you want only some little thing, that you will get only that with whatever karma you will do. To do upasana, at the most you can get that entire loka tadatmya. Maharloka tadatmya, Janaloka, Tapaloka, or Satyaloka tadatmya. That is maximum you can get. All of that falls under Eshana. Tasmat, this is the next part of the sentence. Brahmanaha pandityam nirvidya balyena tishtaset. Balyam cha pandityam cha nirvidya atha munihi. I quoted this yesterday in Brahma Sutra. When it was said, the Mukaha will become Panditaha. Or Pandita can become Mukaha, because if you follow this, Pandityam Nirvidya, having accomplished Panditya, having attained Panditya, he will become Bala, Balyena Tishthas. Then Balyam cha Pandityam cha Nirvidya atha Munihi, he will attain Muni Bhava, Mauna. And Maunam cha, so Balyam, Pandityam is Shravana. First he will accomplish Shravanam. Balyam means Mananam. Because that Mananam will give Balam. Balasya Bhava Balyam. Balam has another meaning also. Right now you take this one. And then Maunam is Nididhyasana. Then he gives up everything, all the sadhana, Shravana, Mana, Nididhyasana, and then he is Brahmana. Atha Brahmana. Now you see, that mantra starts with Tasmad Brahmana Pandityam Nirvidya Balyantishar. And it ends in Atha Brahmana. Now he will become Brahmana. And the whole sequence earlier also starts with Etam Vaitam Atmanam Viditva Brahmana Putreshanayasya Viteshanayasya Loke. So even though Brahmana Shabda is used for all, you have to understand that they are in different stages. Ashtavarsham Brahmanam Upanayita Tam Vedam Adhyapayita. In that, Brahmana is only the one who is born in Brahmana Kula. Because he does not have Yajnopavita also yet. And he doesn't have Brahma Jnanam. So you cannot say Brahma Janati Brahmana is that Ashtavarsha Balaka. And he does not have Yajnopavit Sanskara. So he is not that way. Karmana, he is not Brahmana. Only Janmana. So first he will, in that mantra, so what I am trying to say is, Brahmana Shabda, depending upon mantra and context, you will have to use the meaning. Then when Bhagavan says Brahmana Kshatriya Visham, and they all have their karma, or Chatur Varnyam Maya Srishta, there Brahmana Shabda will have Karmana, Janmana, Karmana, Brahmana. Because when it is said, what are the Lakshanas for Brahmana in Gita? Shamodama, Tapashaucham, Shantihi, Arjavam Evacha. Dhanam, Jnanam, Vijnanamastikhyam, Brahma Karma Swabhavajam. Anybody remembers this shloka online? Can you all hear me?
Yes, Swamiji.
Okay. So this is not just because you are born in Brahmana Parivara. You have to have these qualities. Shama, Dama, Tapaha, Shaucha, etc. So that is a different level. Means for that you have to work. This person has put forth effort to acquire these qualities. Then he gets the Brahmana Sangya. And then what is said there is, these are his Swabhavaja Karma. Means Swabhavika he will do Tapaha. Swabhavika he will have Shama, Dama, etc. Swabhavika he will have inclination for Jnanam, Vijnanam. This is Swabhavaja Karma. So he doesn't have to struggle to do Tapas. He doesn't have to struggle to do Shama, Dama, etc. When I am in that state, understand this is now Brahmanatva at next level. And then this Brahmana Shabda here in this mantra refers to Brahma Janati Brahmana at the end of this whole mantra. Atha Brahmana, that Atha Brahmana at the end is, he knows Brahma now. Because he has gone through Panditya, Balyam, Maunam, Amaunam, everything. Brahmana kena syat. Now the question is, how anyone can become Brahmana? I say, this is how you will become Brahmana. Tena idrisha eva. In this way alone, one will become knower of Brahma. In other words, the question was, that which is Sakshad Aparoksha Brahma, that you tell me. Means how one can attain this. Because earlier, other part of the question was already talked. What is the Swarupa of Brahma? That was said. How it was given? Nahi drashter drashtaram pashehe. So there, you don't have to do any sadhana. This is the Swarupa of Brahma. How I will attain this? So first part gives Swarupa. That Ashana Pipasa Shokam Moham Jaram Mrityu Matya. Or you say this is the Phalam. Brahma Jnana Phalam is this. That once I know I am Brahma, hunger and thirst will not bother me. Shokamoha will not bother. Jara Mrityu, I am not afraid. Old age or death. But how to attain that? So there, Putreshana, Vitteshana, Lokeshana, all Sadhya Sadhana Vishayaka Eshana Tyaga, then Shravana Mana Nididhyasanam, then I attain this. Idrisha eva. Ato anyadartam. Other than this, everything is vinashi. Having heard that, tatoha kaholaha kaushitakeya upararama. So kaushitakeya kahola, he withdrew from this now. So now in this first atha that is given, atha means ushasta chakrayana, his prashna anantaram. Ushasta prashna anantaryam atha shabdartha. And sambodhanam is for abhimukhikarnartham. Purvavat iti abhimukhikarnartham sambodhitavan ityartha. On page number 790, 791, Tippani number 1. Meaning of this is given. Tasmat ityadi. Yasmat. Purve brahmanaha kramena tam. Everybody found?
Yes,
Purve brahmanaha kramena tam etam atmanam viditva vyuthanadi chakruhu. Earlier, the Brahmanas, having known this, they did Vyuthanam. So, based on some of these mantras, Bhagavan Bhashyakara's stand is Brahmana is Adhikari in Sannyasa. This is how he has taken. Chaturtha Ashrama Grahanam is only for Brahmana. Sureshwaracharya ji said Traivarnikana. Others also can take it. Yasmat purve brahmanaha kramena tam etam atmanam viditva vyuthanadi chakrus. Tasmat adyatanopi brahmanaha. Just because how the earlier Brahmana did, what we should do, you should do the same thing. Adyatanopi brahmanaha. Who is Brahmanaha? Apatadarshi. One who has only apatata jnanam. Eshanabhyo vyuthaya. He has to rise above all his eshanas. Mean, do whatever it requires, you have to let go of desires. Yuthaya. Pandityam. Shastrotha buddhihi panda. Tadvan panditaha. So you see, Shastra uttha buddhi. Panda atma vishaya buddhi yasya. Saha panditaha. Panda yasya asti iti panditaha. Tasya karma vedanta vakya vichara lakshanam. Shravana apara paryayam pandityam. What should he do whole day? Vedanta vakya vichara lakshanam tasya karma. This is his karma. Shravana apara paryayam means Shravanam. This is Panditya. Nirvidya nishesham kritva anantaram बाल्येन तिष्ठासेत्, बाल्येन श्रवण ज्ञान उत्पन्न अशेष अनात्म दृष्टि तिरस्करणम बलम तस्य भावो बाल्यम. This balam he has to have. The ability to reject all anatma. Shravana jnana utpanna ashesha anatma drishti tiraskaranam. Any anatma I am not interested. Anatma drishti tiraskaranam balam. Tasya bhavo balyam. Any anatma means you go to Gangaji, you will see so much anatma. If it creates samskara, then it is a problem. If it doesn't create samskara, you don't have problem. So, because vyavahara is only at the plane of anatma. So, vyavahara should be done in which way? Yogaha karmasu kaushalam. What is kaushalam there? Kaushalam means, see, what is the swabhava of karma? To get lipt with the antakarana. Antakarana will create impression of whatever karma you do. Karma yoga is what? Not to allow that impressions of the karma or karma phala to come on antakarana. This is karmasu kaushalam. This is called yoga. This will happen only if it is Ishwararpitam. Karma also Ishwararpitam, phalam also. That's why Ishwararpitam karma, na ichchaya krita. Any karma where ichcha is there, it has created impression. Then kaushalam is not there. Thereafter, there is no ability to reject anatma. Shravana jnana utpanna ashesha anatma drishti tiraskaranam balam tasya bhavo balyam. This is called balyam. So, Shravanam is easy because all you have to do is just be present there somewhere, either turn on the laptop or something. That is also not called Shravanam actually. Shravanam means when I actually do Shadvidha Lingena Tatparya Nirnaya. That is called Shravanam. Some words are hitting my eardrums is not Shravanam. But this Balyam is where I have to be proactive. I have to have this. Tena jnana bala bhavena vishaya anakrishta chittaha santishtaset sthatum icchet. On the strength of this jnana bala, vishaya anakrishta chittaha. Vishayena samasa anakrishtam chittam yasya saha vishaya anakrishta chittaha. In this way, one should desire to stay. Tishtaset means sthatum icchet. How do I want to be? Vishaya anakrishta chitta. Vishaya comes, Vishaya goes, nothing. But this doesn't mean that I am living like a stone. And inside, storm is there. Inside is empty, all cleaned up. Tishtaset sthatum icchet. Balya shabda videyam mananam kuryat iti yavat. This much mananam one should do. Balya shabda refers to mananam. Balyam cha pandityam cha nirvidya nishesham kritva atha anantaram munihi maunavan. Having done Shravanam and Mananam thoroughly, nishesham kritva means so much he has done, thereafter he'll be muni. Atha anantaram munihi maunavan. Dharavahika atma pratyaya pravahavan. Now there is a dharavahika atma pratyaya. Means aham brahmasmi is continuous. Aham jivosmi, aham parichinnosmi rarely comes if at all. Otherwise, there is no such bhanam. If it arises immediately, it is badhit also. This is mithya pratyaya. आत्म प्रत्यय प्रवाहवान तिष्ठासेत् इति अनुसज्यते निदिध्यासनम कुर्यात् इति यावत्. There is a adhikarana in Brahma Sutra on this part. It will come 3.4 point something by the time we survive. निदिध्यासनाख्यम. एवं अमौनम च उक्तार्थ पांडित्य बाल्य शब्दाभिधेयम श्रवण मननाख्यम मौनम च उक्तार्थ मुनि शब्दवाच्यम निदिध्यासनाख्यम निर्विद्य अथ अनंतरम ब्राह्मणो निरुपचरित ब्राह्मण्यमान साक्षात् ब्रह्मैव स्यात् कृतकृत्यो भवेत् इति यावत्. So now he is साक्षात् ब्रह्म कृतकृत्य. What he does? Amaunam and maunam. Amaunam means panditya balya, that he gives up. Maunam means nididhyasanam. Having accomplished everything, now he is a Brahman. Sakshat Brahma eva, natu Brahmavid. He is not knower of Brahma, he is no Brahma. Kritakrityo bhave. So Bhagavan says, etad buddhva buddhiman syat kritakritya. This is how you become kritakritya. This is elaborated. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Vadarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Shinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.